Welcome to Hoovie's Garage.
Nope.
What is he?
Wait, is it welcome? No, it is welcome to. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do it again.
All right.
I'm still rolling.
Okay, you ready, Brooklyn? Welcome to Hoovie's Garage, the dumbest automotive channel on all of YouTube. I'm here at Porsche Palooza with my 79 911 SC that's been brought back from the dead. And as usual, I've done something not very smart. I've driven my 2021 Shelby GT500 to this Porsche event in Eureka Springs. But as you can see, this 911 has been brought back to its normal standards, almost. And we've got the targa back on, we've got the car running, the suspension is done, the interior's back in, and we're looking forward to a test drive. All right, here we go in the finished targa, the finished hoopty. Not too shabby. Actually runs good. Final drive before we deliver it to our friend Tyler. Went ahead and pulled the air filters off this unit so you could get an idea of what all 6 carburetors sound like. Back on because it used to be a Cabriolet, but it's actually pretty quiet in here. I mean, what, right, Turner? What do you think?
I don't hear any wind noise really leaking through it.
No, it's not bad. It's just kind of airy, but so what? Ooh, that sounds good. Man, wonder what Tyler would take for this car. I mean, that sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
I know it doesn't compare to his 1,000 horsepower machines, exotics that he's got. But I'll tell you, it puts a smile on your face just like they will. Oh yeah. Woo. Show me a better sounding engine than a horizontally opposed flat 6 air-cooled 911 engine with 6 carburetors. I'll wait. I'll just leave these air filters off all the time.
It does sound good.
Doesn't it? Listen to this. Huh?
It sounds growlier.
I feel like we're in the Targa Florio. With patina. And there's the geese. Same pop engine lid. Targa's loaded. Heading to Wichita.
It only needed everything.
It needed everything. I'm serious.
Yep.
It needed everything. Should we go out this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, you're on video right now calling me an ass. So
Make a note of that. 5 o'clock. Call it rest.
hanging out and then go over to Searman to eat and then maybe some pickleball afterwards. I've got the court set up in the hangar, so. Yeah, it's the 1-2 and the 2-3 that would get annoying if it was bad, and this one isn't.
Right. So I of course like it because I'm a 911 guy, but what about you?
It's fantastic. I sold my fake Beck Spider because I like this better in the shape that it was in just driving it at Palooza. And now you made it a little better.
Okay.
And also I have a back seat for the kids too, but you have the seat belts I see, so
There
thank
are
you for
seat
that.
belts. Yes. You can put the kids back there. I put my kid back there and tried it out. Okay, this is probably far enough, and I'll turn around and you can drive.
Okay.
If you want, if that sounds okay.
Please.
As long as this Ford LTD Crown Victoria doesn't run over us.
They got special lights.
I saw that. Am I getting pulled over? If you ever have a problem with it, fuel pump you can hear.
Mm-hmm.
There's a whine from the CD box. And if that thing's not whining, it's not working. And those go out. I mean, it's the original one, and the thing, you know, it's 43 years old, so there's a spare one in the front, and you can just, I can show you, can unplug it and plug in the new one if you had to get
All
home.
right.
And then there's a coil also.
Be a little more gentle with you, sorry.
A little more pause between everything.
Yeah.
But that's all right. It's just, you know, it's an
Okay.
older car.
Awesome. That's exactly what I wanted it to be, yeah. You can close your eyes and drive and feel really, really good. I love that it looks like a rat rod. I love the...
I drove it down to the marina the other day and took a few pictures, and people were coming over and asked me, is this from the 60s? What year is this car? You know, but they loved it. And
They loved it when you had the for sale sign on it for $3,500.
oh man, I could have sold it like 6 times. But
What's funny is the people coming up and asking you questions. Like, you don't ask any questions. Is there a title? Is it not stolen? And then it isn't? Okay.
that's right.
It's sold. But need to get to know it a little better here.
But how do you enjoy the carburetor sound?
Oh, it's awesome.
Isn't it nice?
There it is. Oh, I felt it now.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, there you go.
I'll get to know it.
The shift linkage has all been rebuilt. It's just the transmission is old, but it shifts great. It really does shift good. You'll get to know it.
Yeah, as long as you don't go 1-2-1. Same with the Cabriolet, but this thing needed to not be that anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got you on board with that.
Yes, sir.
After took a little convincing, so I appreciate it.
But it's all right. You've made the right decision for sure.
It's great. Feels so tight too.
Look, you have an audience of people watching you. What do you think? Should we line up a race between this and the Z06?
Yeah. Well, that one's still in break-in, so you can't go over 7,000 RPM.
Yep. Boy, that's nice. Wow. It's the new hoopty.
Well, Leonard, thank you so much. You should have said no when I brought love this car. You should have.
Yeah.
Should have just beat me away with a bat and said no. But very happy. I haven't seen a bill yet. Until then, I'm very happy.
Yes, don't leave yet. I have a bill for you.
Oh, you do watch The Wizard. All right.
Okay, Tyler, how do you like it?
It's wonderful. It's a hoopty, but it drives beautifully. So, thank you.
Thank you.